In a significant development, President Donald Trump and Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese recently signed an $8.5 billion agreement aimed at securing critical rare earth minerals. This deal not only strengthens the economic ties between the U.S. and Australia, but also signals a strategic move to reduce American dependence on China, which has long been the dominant global supplier of these minerals. These rare earths are crucial for the production of high-tech products such as smartphones, electric vehicles, and military equipment. The agreement underscores both nations' commitment to securing a reliable supply of these essential resources, thereby reinforcing their geopolitical alliance. As the U.S. prepares for an upcoming high-stakes meeting with China next week, President Trump has stated that the Rare Earth Pact with Australia sets the table for the talks. This agreement comes at a time when the U.S. is looking to diversify its supply chains and reduce its reliance on Chinese imports. The timing is particularly significant, as China has previously imposed restrictions on the export of rare earths, using them as a tool to exert economic pressure. By securing this deal with Australia, the U.S. is sending a clear message to China. It is taking proactive steps to lessen its vulnerability to such trade restrictions. The deal also provides the U.S. with additional leverage in its negotiations with China. With a new strategic partner in Australia, the U.S. now has more options for securing the resources critical to its industries, making it less reliant on China's rare earth exports. The U.S.-Australia agreement could be a game-changer, giving the U.S. a stronger bargaining position in the upcoming talks with China. The agreement may also serve as a blueprint for future partnerships with other nations, potentially disrupting China's dominance in the global rare earth market. China has historically held a commanding position in the rare earth sector, and its ability to manipulate supply and prices has been a key part of its economic strategy. By limiting rare earth exports, China has often been able to increase prices and create uncertainty in global markets. With the U.S. now securing access to critical minerals from Australia, the global supply chain could become more diversified, reducing China's leverage. This move could also prompt other countries to follow suit, seeking their own rare earth deals to avoid dependence on China. Looking ahead to the U.S.-China meeting, the Rare Earth Agreement is likely to influence the discussions. The U.S. is now entering the talks with greater confidence, knowing that it has a reliable partner in Australia. However, tensions between the two countries remain high, and it's expected that both sides will be cautious in making concessions. China may push back against any further efforts to limit its control over rare earth resources, but the U.S. is now in a stronger position to negotiate from. In conclusion, the Rare Earth Pact between the U.S. and Australia represents a pivotal moment in international trade. It not only strengthens their bilateral relationship, but also has far-reaching implications. For global supply chains and U.S.-China relations, the deal ensures greater security in the supply of critical minerals and could alter the balance of power in the rare earth market for years to come.